is me, Dr. Donna. Welcome to today's personal accountability. Today's topic, electrical outlet. What is the first thought that enters into your mind when you hear electrical outlet? I will be speaking about the electrical outlet metaphorically. And what that means is don't allow people to constantly plug into you just to drain your energy, your empowerment, or your resources without giving anything back. In this instance, an electrical outlet is a source of power or energy, and you are the one providing that energy physically, emotionally, financially, spiritually, and every other Lee out there. And then the overuse is feeling depleted, burnt out, or taken advantage of. In today's world, we hear about burnout all the time. I'm mentally depleted, I'm mentally drained. And that is because there's just a small group of people being used by a large group of people as an electrical outlet. So here's the thing. You are not here to be an endless tapped into electrical outlet without limitations. You have to protect your energy and set healthy boundaries. One of the most powerful words in the world is no. 9 out of 10 times you are saying no. No, you cannot use me as an electrical outlet. No, I will not be your power source. No, you will not deplete me. You will not drain me. No. Give from a place of choice, not obligation or exploitation. I'm choosing to do this. No, I don't owe you anything. And no, you're not going to take complete advantage of me. No. And here's some healthy alternatives. Share your energy wisely. Evaluate it. Play the movie out. If I do this for this person, how is that going to end? Are they going to keep coming back to me? Is this a one-off? Will they be better? Will I be better? Choose wisely. It has to be reciprocity and mutual respect and support. And then you need to recharge yourself before you try to power others. The problem is you are working at a deficit to begin with because this has been going on for decades. And now you have nothing left. You are scraping the bottom of the barrel. The saying is you can't get blood from a turnip. So stop. Stop. You are not their electrical outlet. Your power and your energy is for you. And you get to decide selectively who has access to you. Who has access? Don't just be the electrical outlet at the airport, just powering every random person that needs a charge. That is not your mission in life. You use your power for you first and sparingly for everybody else.